Dollar cost averaging, DCA. You've heard the term, but why use it? Sometimes you want to spread your trades out over time. Ladder in, ladder out. Maybe you want to accumulate a new token without blasting the price upward, or unwind a big position without nuking the chart. That's where DCA shines. Let's dive in and set one up. Starting with DCA buy, you've got your token loaded on the trade page. Make sure you're on the buy side, then tap DCA. Pick your wallet or multiple wallets. Now set your amount per buy and pay close attention here. This number is spent for each buy in each interval. Plan accordingly. Next, set your interval and duration. For example, a 0.5 SOL buy every 5 minutes for 20 minutes. That's 4 buys totaling 2 SOL. Tap Place DCA Order. You'll get notifications as each one executes, with the first buy triggering immediately. Let's go a bit deeper. Notice that range toggle, market cap or price depending on your settings. This lets you set a range for your DCA. If the token moves outside that range, the buys won't trigger. This filter works for both buys and sells. Now, you've got your order set, but how do you track it? Easy. You can track your orders on the orders page. Don't forget to click DCA at the top. And if you need to cancel, tap the trash can icon. I'll go ahead and cancel this one now. Let's take a look at a DCA sell. Flip over to Holdings and pick your token. Click it to return to the trade page. Make sure you're on the sell side, then tap DCA. Choose how much to sell. I've got 100,000 tokens. I'm setting mine to 50%. For sells, this number is the total amount you'll sell when the DCA is complete. Trojan splits it into equal pieces. Now set your interval and duration. Let's say every 1 minute for 5 minutes. Since we're selling 50% total, each interval will sell 10% of our total, 10,000 tokens per transaction. 5 intervals, 10% each, for a total of 50%. Tap Place DCA Order and watch your orders roll out, one by one. That's DCA, smooth, controlled, and precise. Another Trojan tool in your arsenal. I'll see you in the trenches.